I'm Amy Wagner with your Allworth advice. I get it. Money isn't the easiest thing to talk openly about, but not talking about it could be one of the worst things you can do for your kids. Here's how many of us drop the ball when it comes to helping our children manage money. We seldom tell them how much we make, how much debt we have, how credit cards work and the risks of carrying debt on them, and how to use a budget. Remember, financial literacy is like anything else. It's great to learn early. And what better way for your child to learn than from you? Do you talk to your children about healthcare? Explaining insurance and medical costs is valuable. And talk about some of the money mistakes you've made. It's okay to make mistakes, but it's even better to avoid making them because someone warned you about them when you were young. Talk about the cost of college loans and how careers that don't pay well can mean they might be paying off loans for a really long time. And explain how much you pay in income tax, property tax, and sales tax. A good financial education can start at a very early age. Here's the Allworth advice. A valuable thing you can do for your teenager is to add them to your credit card account. Now, of course, give them a budget, but they can benefit from your credit score and also learn how not to overspend from you. With your Allworth advice, I'm Amy Wagner.